today I am back with another video for you, and I am back with another hair slay, because I got you on these slays and these lays. So today's video is going to be on this hair. Girl, I got me some 99J. I got me some color. But before we get into that, I do want to say thank you for like, comment, sharing, subscribing to my channel, girl. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, girl, welcome to my team. I'm here to teach you these slays and these lays. And girl, we're gonna jump right into this video. Alright, so I did purchase this wig from my local beauty supply store. It was $84.99, and this wig is called the Brown Sugar Invisible Whole Lace Wig. It is a human hair mix, which means that it is mixed with human hair and synthetic hair. Alright, so here I'm just showing you the wig. It does come with 2 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. The color that I have is in the color 99J. This wig is 20 inches long, and it is a mixed blend again, which means you can apply heat to it. So here I'm just going to show you how I lay this wig down. This hair did come with baby hairs, and I did not do any extra plucking. All I did was apply some baby hairs to the front and make sure that this wig is laying flat and melted seamlessly. Alright, so here I am taking my Kera wax stick and I'm making sure that I apply that all around the front, because this is what gets your hair and flyaways laying flat so that you do not have any flyaways, and it gives you that melted look.
You know you want this for this.
Okay, so here I'm just going in with my powder, making sure that I give that part a natural and realistic finish. You want to use a powder that is closer to your natural skin tone color. Alright, so as you can see, this hair does take heat very, very well. You do not have to worry about nothing burning or sizzling here. So that's the best part of this hair. Alright, so this hair is really, really nice. But I do want to know, can this hair hold a curl well? So please do, if you want to see that, comment down in the comment section below if you want to see how I curl this hair and if it does hold a curl well. So as you can see, this hair is laying super flat and it is melted and it's super, super soft. Girl, go and get you this wig, because this is one that is definitely worth every single coin. I promise you. Alright, dolls, so this is the end of the video, and I hope that you do like this hair. I hope that you try it. Also, if you do try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, because I want to see. So don't forget to tag me at Marley Doll, and also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure your post notifications is on so that you will be alerted when the next video is dropped. Thank you. Bye.